Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Another Pepe video that is continuing to be highly requested by a lot of people sending in emails, all kinds of different things. So before we begin, please do like and subscribe, tap those buttons down below, really helps out the channel. And we'll just take a look at the chart here. You can see this is the hourly chart. I've got these 4 key levels marked out that I did talk about before. This was a swing high a few days ago that we reached. We obviously surpassed that. You can see here we've kind of made a bit of a range like this as well for Pepe, which I would consider to be a nice little bit of consolidation and structure. And now you can see, 2 days ago I put this swing high in pretty much is what we reached, and we haven't actually surpassed that yet. A little bit of cooling off at the minute, basically in the market's doing something like this, a little bit of a retracement after extremely parabolic move. You can see obviously the hockey stick. When you do get these hockey stick formations, you usually get big retracements, and I do think these levels are definitely on the cards for retracements. I think that Pepe, it's got quite a nice brand behind it now, hasn't it? I think people are starting to buy into the idea of it, and I do think, looking at this daily time frame, you could easily see this coming back down, retesting like this, and then getting continuation again. That would probably make quite a lot of sense, to be fair, wouldn't it? It's just essentially the breakout backtest of this level and then continuation. These things very volatile though. We all know that meme coins, they can be very, very volatile, and this could easily just snap to the upside again based off some hype or just getting a little bit of crazy momentum in the market. You can see on the RSI, obviously it got quite overextended here and now cooling off, heading back down like this, potentially for another move to the upside, which I think is entirely likely, to be fair, considering that Pepe has started to, it's really gathered quite a significant community, hasn't it? And I do think that you can never underestimate the power of a Reddit/Twitter community hype. When things do start to hit the hype train on those platforms, they really do start to pick up significantly, don't they? I remember seeing Pepe down here and thinking, this is definitely going to go again, and you can see here it's absolutely ripped to the upside. So really not that much to say about it right now, other than that obviously it's hit a resistance, a bit of a blow off top kind of situation, and now looking for a retracement at least back down to this level here. If not, this would be your first level, followed by here, followed by somewhere down here. Really, say realistically, I'd probably think that this is probably more of a key level than that previous one I highlighted. And you can see, if we come down to this, get the bounce here, and do something like this, or we'll come all the way down to this level with a deeper retracement before a bounce. So that is really it for today, guys. There's not that much to say, is there really? Because there's not much to go on in terms of chart history for Pepe. It's very new and very impulsive. But I do think that more gains are on the cards for Pepe over the next month or so. In my opinion, it's pretty damn likely that that's going to happen. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.